lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from the Pip box. So if you want to see what's inside in this month, the Pip box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So today also, lovelies, if you see me without makeup on, because I was cleaning the house and it wasn't planned, this unboxing, but this box came and I really wanted to unbox with you. So if you're new to the Pip box, this is a monthly beauty cruelty-free subscription box. It costs £25.99, including the shipping fee. And this subscription box is one of my favorite at the moment because you can receive cruelty-free products, beauty products, from skincare to makeup. So yes, let's open it. As always, lovelies, for info and the prices and everything, the link will be in the description box below. On the top we have the leaflet booklet, and it says the Pip box cruelty-free beauty SOS. Here we go. And it says here, welcome to your July edit. Our theme this month is Beauty SOS. This edit is all about those beauty saviors that you could not be without. From natural deodorant to a coffee face scrub, we've got your beauty essentials covered. And also the total value for this month is worth more than £68, which is not bad. And let's see inside. I did my spoiler of this subscription box, as always, lovelies. And as I said in that one, I was really excited for this box and really can't wait to receive it. So the first one here, and this is a full size, from the brand Save. More than natural skincare, anti-pollution, vitamin C booster, protect your skin and prevent early aging. And as I said, this is a full size. Vitamin C at the moment, lovelies, is really a must, because you know the sun can damage your skin, and vitamin C, it's really good. It's very important. Here is inside the packaging. I really hope you can see it, lovelies. And it says here, super powerful booster to protect your skin against environmental stressors. Used together with moisturizer, mask, or alone. This amazing formula makes your skin stronger, optimally hydrated, and younger looking, thanks to amazing combination of ectoine, I don't know if I pronounce it properly, and vitamin C. And let's see how much this product. So this one, it's retail for £37. Wow, it's worth more than the box. And yeah, it says apply 2-3 pump to cleanse and dry skin for best result. Use every other day. So you don't need to use this one every day, but every other day. And then the next one we have here, and I'm really looking forward to try this one, and this is from E-Cooking Fragrance Free Intimate Wash, and this is a full size too, lovelies. I really hope you can see it. And this one, it says 125 ml, and it says fragrance free to avoid irritation. E-Cooking Intimate Wash is a mild and gentle soap that effectively cleanses without aggravating or drying out sensitive skin, instantly refreshing nether regions with its low pH formula and gentle cleansing agents. And the retail price is £3. And then the next one we have, it's from Up Circle. We received few products from this brand, and I think I have this but in a different scent, because here we have the floral blend, and the one that I've got has like a citrus scent, like orangey citrus scent. And this one is the face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds. It smells like coffee, So it smells like coffee, but it has a hint of floral scent. And this one is with chamomile, rose hip, geranium, and patchouli essential oil. This one is perfect at night after you do the cleansing, double cleansing one, and you want to scrub your face. This is perfect because it has that chamomile scent to relax. And let's see inside. So this is inside, lovelies. It's a massive product, and as I said, this is a full size. And this one, it's retail for £12.99. It says coffee face scrub formulated for sensitive skin with chamomile, rosehip, geranium, and patchouli essential oil. This face scrub gently buffs away dry dead cells to leave you feeling soft, smooth, and glowy. Can't wait to try this one. And then the next one we have, and this is from this another product that I'm really looking forward to try, and this is from Bloomtown, palm oil free, vegan, cruelty free, nut deo, 0% aluminum, baking soda, parabens, lavender, and rose geranium, glide on deodorant bar. So let's see inside. So it's look like this outside. Sorry, I didn't show you. So it looks like this outside, and inside like a soap bar. And the smells lovely, smells natural, it smells like lavender. Yeah, it smells like floral scent. It's really nice smell. Can't wait to try this. And this is a full size, and it's retail for £10, which is not bad. And it says banish the smelly funk in the room. Get natural and effective odor protection in a unique plastic-free bar formulation, which allows underarm heat to soften bar just enough to glide on smoothly. Can't wait to try. And the last product, lovelies, is quite different. So for subscribers, if you already subscribed to the Pip Box, you will receive this one from Nails Inc. The 45-second speedy gloss. Which one is this? In the shade Browsing on Bond Street. It has 14 ml. This is a full size, and it's retail for £8. And it says Nails Inc. 45-second speedy gloss nail polish collection, their fastest drying polish to date. It's designed with your busy day in mind. So yes, I tried Nails Inc. before. We received few of this nail polish in other subscription boxes, and I must say, Nails Inc. nail polish is really good. This one with the 45-second one, it dries really quickly, and also on my nails, and I use my hands a lot. It lasts me like 4-5 days. And also this is a gorgeous color. It's like a peachy, perfect for summer. If you are not subscribed to the Pip Box, you will receive a eye mask from Nails Inc. 2, and it is the No Pop Zone Nourishing Eye Mask. The retail price is £9, so there's only £1 different. And it says powered by cannabis sativa seed oil. This hydrogel under eye mask give an instant healing hit of hydration. So this is the mask. So yes, lovelies, that's all for this month, the Pip Box. And let's do a recap. So you will receive 5 full-size products this month, and we have the Save Anti-Pollution Vitamin C Booster. As I said, vitamins at the moment is a must. After you've been on the sun for a long time, I recommend to use a vitamins one to give some protection and hydration to your skin. Definitely will use this one. And then the other product I really can't wait to try, and this is from Bloomtown, the deodorant bar. I never tried deodorant bar before, so yes, definitely it smells gorgeous, so yes. And then the other product that I'm looking forward to try that and definitely will bring with me, and this is the E-Cooking Intimate Wash, and it's a full size. And then we have a full size nail polish, which is the 47-second from Nails Inc. And the last one, it's from the Upcircle, the face scrub one, which is a full size. So overall this month, it's not bad at all, lovelies. And as I said, I was really excited to receive this box. And for £25.99, it's really not bad considering all this product are cruelty-free too. So that's all for me, lovelies and new lovelies. Are you subscribed to the PIP box? Are you waiting for this box? Did you receive already this box? Let me know in the comment below. And are you considering to subscribe to the subscription box? If you do, I have the link, all the info in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.